Welcome to Odetta Rockhead Unedited. Ever wondered how your favorite chocolate is made? Well, strap in, because we're about to embark on a sweet journey that will satisfy not only your taste buds, but also your curiosity. Chocolate, a delicacy adored worldwide, is a testament to the human ability to transform simple ingredients into culinary wonders. Let's take a moment to appreciate the ancient origins of this divine treat. Thousands of years ago, the Mayans and the Aztecs were the first to discover the magic of cacao beans. They brewed them into a bitter drink, quite a far cry from the sweet delight we know today. Over the centuries, chocolate has evolved, journeying from the rainforests of Central America to the royal courts of Europe. It's been a drink, a currency, a medicine, and now, our favorite indulgence. From the bitter brew of the ancient world to the melt-in-your-mouth goodness we relish today, the transformation of chocolate is a story worth telling. Now let's delve into the deliciously complex process that turns simple cocoa beans into the mouth-watering chocolate bars in our pantries. Chocolate begins its journey on the cacao tree. Now, these aren't your typical trees. These are special tropical trees that thrive in the world's most exotic locations. The cacao tree bears fruit in the form of cacao pods, which are about the size of a football and filled with beans. Yes, the magic of chocolate starts with these beans, tucked away in the heart of these pods. But before they can become the chocolate we all know and love, these beans must go through a fascinating process. It starts with harvesting, where the ripe pods are carefully removed from the trees. The beans, along with the sweet pulp surrounding them, are then taken out from the pods. But here's the twist. The beans at this stage don't taste anything like a chocolate. The secret lies in fermentation, a process that unlocks the hidden flavors within the beans. Over the course of several days, the beans are left to ferment, and this is when the magic truly happens. The heat and the natural yeast transform the beans, developing those unique chocolate flavors we all adore. Once properly fermented, the beans are then dried under the sun. This step is vital as it stops the fermentation process and prepares the beans for transport. After drying, these beans, packed with potential, are shipped worldwide. After a journey across the globe, these beans are ready for the next stage of their transformation. And what a transformation it is. But that's a story for the next scene. Once the beans reach the chocolate factory, the real magic begins. Imagine the aroma of cocoa beans roasting in large rotating ovens, the scent wafting through the air, a tantalizing hint of the decadence to come. This roasting process is a vital step, as it's here where the beans transform, their subtle chocolatey flavors coaxed out by the heat. Post-roasting, the beans undergo a process known as cracking. As the name suggests, the beans are cracked open, splitting apart to reveal their hidden treasure, the cacao nibs. These nibs are the heart and soul of the chocolate-making process, the essence of what gives chocolate its unique mouth-watering taste. But we can't use the nibs just yet. They're hidden beneath a shell, a husk that must be removed. This is where winnowing comes into play. It's a process of separation, a gentle breeze that whispers away the unwanted shell, leaving only the precious nibs behind. Now, these nibs are ready for their transformation. They're ground into a paste, a process that releases the cocoa butter within, resulting in a liquid that is dark, rich, and oh so chocolatey. This is chocolate liquor, although it's not the kind you'll find in a cocktail. Next, the chocolate liquor is mixed with other ingredients. Sugar to balance the bitterness, milk for a creamy, smooth texture, additional cocoa butter for a luxurious melt-in-your-mouth feel. The ratios vary, the ingredients change, and voila! We have different types of chocolate. Dark, milk, white, each one a delight, each one a masterpiece of the chocolate maker's craft. But we're not done yet. There's one final step, tempering. This process gives the chocolate its glossy sheen and that satisfying snap when you break a piece. It's the cherry on top of the chocolate-making process, the final flourish that transforms our humble cocoa beans into a delectable chocolate bar. With the final touch of tempering to give the chocolate its glossy finish and snap, our cocoa beans have officially become a delectable chocolate bar. All these intricate steps lead to the creation of something truly delightful. From the cocoa tree's pods to the carefully crafted bar, each stage of chocolate making is a testament to care, effort, and craftsmanship. It's a dance of flavors, a symphony of sweet delight, born from meticulous attention to detail and passion for perfection. So the next time you savor a piece of chocolate, you'll know the fascinating journey it took to get to your taste buds. Now, isn't that a sweet thought?